Hey beautiful people, you all asked for this recipe. That's why I decided to do this video. And today I'm gonna be making the best jollof rice in the whole world. And the first thing I want to do first is because we need that chicken broth. The first thing I'm doing is I'm gonna first cook my chicken. And you just want to slow cook it. Cook the chicken for 10 minutes. And once we're done cooking the chicken, we're gonna fry it. But this is how we're gonna season the chicken. After putting the chicken inside of your pot, you wanna marinate it. You wanna season it a little bit. First thing I did was add water. Once you're done add water, you wanna add habanero. I like it spicy a little bit. And once you're done with the habanero, you wanna add your ginger. After adding your ginger, the next thing you would love to add is also your garlic. And the main reason why I'm adding my ginger and my garlic is there's this particular taste you get from your ginger and your garlic. So it's very crucial to add your ginger and your garlic to your chicken while cooking. But because you all asked for this video, while we're watching it, don't forget to like. Let me know what parts in this video you love the most right there in the comment section, and we'll go from there. And right there, you don't want to miss one thing. What I'm doing right now is dicing my red onions. Add a teaspoon of salt. You don't want to make it too salty. So depending on the amount of the chicken drumsticks you're cooking, you want to add a little bit of the amount of salt. You also want to add enough seasoning. A teaspoon is fine. Apart from your enough seasoning, you want to add your curry. After your curry, add your thyme. Once you're done with your thyme, want to cover it and cook it for a good 10 minutes. Remember, we don't want to overcook it. And in between, you check it in between. If you have your spoon, a spatula, you can, mix it a little bit. But that's what I'm doing right there. Just mixing it. Cover it back and let it cook for another extra 5 minutes. In general, you just 10 minutes is fine. And right here, we need to make our sauce. I'm going to put my tomato inside of the blender. And once I put my tomato, the next thing you know how is you're gonna put your red onions too. And the main reason we're doing this is for our jollof rice. Don't forget, this is the best jollof rice in the world. After that, you wanna add your habanero. I like it spicy. Some people might add two, three, four, depending on how they feel. And I just added my garlic and my ginger. Add a little bit of water. And once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is you want to blend it. And don't forget, the main reason why we're having this sauce is for our jollof rice. One important thing you want to do is for our jollof rice, we need tomato paste. Well, you can always get it from any African store or any store around you. Either Walmart, Kroger, or any store around you. But be very careful while you're getting it. Most of the time, when you see the container or when you see the can, is that some says sauce. Don't get the sauce. Make sure you are getting the paste. Make sure you're getting the paste. The paste is different from the sauce. With the paste, you get that reddish vibe out of your jollof rice, but the sauce is just right there, right there. So don't forget again, make sure you check the can and make sure you're getting the paste. We're switching back to our chicken. I think right now we're good with our chicken. Don't forget, just 10 minutes is fine. And what we're going to do is take our chicken out of the pot. Next thing we'll be doing is frying our chicken. So what I'm going to do now is Add your granite oil or your vegetable oil to the pan. Once you're done with that, you want to add onion. And the reason why I'm adding my onion is I get this particular taste whenever I fry my chicken with onions. So I add that. Then after adding your onions, next you wanna add a parsley. And don't mind me, I might be too extra at times, but taste is key to me. Food is key to me, and I want to do everything to the extreme. Let that guy fry for a few minutes, and it's done frying, this is when you want to start frying our chicken. While that is frying, we want to start making our jollof also. Just a little bit of vegetable oil, our onions, or let me say diced onions. Guys, don't forget. Let me know what country you're watching this from, and let me know what country makes the best jollof rice in the whole world. What country makes the best jollof rice in the whole world? And while you're watching also, let me know. Make sure you like this video, put that comment down there, share it with your friends, and this recipe is solid. And right now, what I'm about to do right now is add my tomato paste. Don't forget tomato paste. Don't get the sauce. It's very crucial you're using the paste. Set however, just a little bit. And this is where we want to add our sauce. Remember the sauce we did blend initially? We're gonna add our sauce to it, and what we're doing right here is cooking everything together. That's our chicken broth. Remember the sauce from the chicken? I just set it aside, so we are going to be using that to make our jollof rice. Add a little bit of more seasoning. Half teaspoon is fine. Add a little bit of curry. Add a little bit of thyme. Add your bay leaves. Add a little bit of salt. Just a little bit. And while you're adding your salt, the main reason I'm adding it is I did test it initially just to see if the amount of salt I added was fine, but it wasn't enough. So I literally just added a little bit of salt to it to give it that taste. Cover your pot and let that guy cook for 20 minutes because we want that guy cooked. We want the sauce, everything together cooked. And this is where we have to add our rice. Initially, I used to parboil it. But one thing I realized is whenever I parboil it, it comes out soggy. So I just decided to just wash my rice with a little bit of salt and cook it directly that way. I want to feel that smoky vibe. That's why I'm using my foil paper to cover it. I don't want any of the smoke vibe. I don't want any of that guy to get out of it. So I'm using my foil paper to cover it. I want you done with that. You use the cover just to cover it. Let that guy cook for 15 minutes. Don't forget, check it once in a while. And one thing about jollof rice is avoid while mixing it, while you're trying to avoid mixing it the bottom of the pot. That way you don't get the jollof burning. That's one thing about jollof. It gets really it burns really fast. So don't make that mistake. Be careful while you're mixing it and make sure you don't get to the bottom of the pot to avoid any form of, you know, rudiment. Don't forget again, if you've not subscribed to the channel, we really appreciate your love, your support towards this channel. You guys are doing a good job. Apart from this video, let me know what other videos you love, and let me know whatever video you would love you want us to make next. That way we shoot for it. But yeah, for you, we love you, and we know you love us too. But yeah, like you see, the jollof rice is coming along. I won't lie to you, this is the best jollof rice in the whole world. If you feel your country makes the best jollof rice, write it down right there at the comment section. And let me tell you, if you know, if your country makes the best jollof rice, do I see, take for instance, you say Sierra Leone does make the best jollof rice, so Ghana makes, I'm gonna come up with a recipe. You know what I mean? But let's be very candid. What country makes the best jollof rice? I think at this point in time, a jollof is ready, and we can't just eat jollof on its own like that. We need to do a little bit of sides to it. What would you have with your jollof rice if you were to have it by yourself? We said the chicken going on the side. I think at this point in time, I'm done frying my chicken. Right now, I don't just want that guy empty. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of tomatoes and onions to it just to give it that ready, just to give it a little bit of sauce on the end, and just to give it that little bit of mix vibe on it. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I did add a little bit of diced onions and tomatoes, and I'm just gonna let it stir on its own, let it cook, mix all together. I'm sure you guys didn't know, but one thing I love is plantains, sweet plantains. So right now, if I fry my plantain, I added a little bit of groundnut oil. Right there by the farmer plantain. Life of plantain is life, I must tell you. So right there, that guy is choosing and seasoning. Right now, I'm done for my plantains. Just make it fried till it's golden brown. Right now, I'm hungry and it's time to eat. I didn't waste no time. I took my I took my 7 spoon. You know, too much 7 spoon. Put my fried chicken on the side, and now I'm serving right now. I can just wait. You can see my mouth watering already. Yeah, right there. That's what we're talking about. That is what we're talking about. I know a lot of people will come for me. So far, this is the best jollof rice in the whole world. And hey, if your country makes the best jollof rice in the world, what? Let me see that comment down there. And look at me serving that jollof rice right there. I didn't make no mistake. I added, that chicken to it. I'm a, I'm a prince, you know what I mean? I'm a prince. I can't be eating 2 chicken. So yeah, 3 to 4 chickens is okay by me. You got if you I can't eat just 1 chicken. I need to even my meat. I eat 2, 3 meats, 2, 3 meats while eating. So after adding my meat, my chicken drumsticks, the next thing I did was, it's time to add my plantain. I told you, plantain is life. Jollof without plantain is nah. We're not doing that. Right now, look at me giving myself a little, serving myself a little bit of plantain on the side. Yeah, oh my God, I gotta look so good. Let me show you real fast. Let me show you real fast what the outcome does look like. And don't mind me, I like food. Like food, don't mind me, look at that right there. That's my jollof rice with side of plantain, my fried chicken. Let me know what y'all think. I appreciate your support. Subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipe. And thank you for joining us today. Happy cooking.